Hello everyone, welcome back to How Farms Work. My name is Ryan. Today is the very last day of harvest 2017, I hope. So I'm heading out to my place right now with the 8235R and the Brent grain cart. Dad is ahead of me. We got about 10 acres of corn left to do out here, and we're hoping that we can get them all done tonight. But kind of depends on how well it yields. So what we're doing currently is, right now the Easy Trail wagon is set up to the blower, which is set up to the short harvester. And we are blowing corn into the short harvester to use as feed. That way we can use the roller mill to crack the corn first, giving our cattle some more of those nutrients that are locked up inside the ears of corn, or kernels of corn. So Travis is going to bring the Easy Trail grain cart out, and he's going to probably get like a half load, I assume, from Dad, and then he's probably going to take it by road back to the farm because the auger isn't set up to the wagon, and the only way to load the wagon is by grain cart or having the auger set up to the up to the wagon. So once we get that done, hopefully we can fit the remainder on the wagons and the grain carts, so then we can get done with harvesting tonight, because if we don't, the elevator's closed for the day, so we can't send any more corn down to Dubuque. So we're hoping that we can fit the rest on the carts. So I'm gonna head out here and we're gonna finish harvesting. So let's get going. Finished quite like I was hoping, but tomorrow morning we should be able to wrap up Harvest 2017. But we'll throw it right in after this clip here because I'm just so anxious to be done with harvest. But what I got to do right this moment is I got to plug the 4640 in because this morning it started a little rough, so that way the motor isn't below freezing when we go to start harvesting in the morning. So, yeah, I'll see you guys first thing. All right, plug this in, which is very dirty. Whew. Now you can hear it start circulating in there, so you know that it's actually heating. So, should have parked a little bit closer, but I think it'll be fine till morning. Now this video has been a little bit different than our usual videos. However, with my new camera, I need to test the limits of it and see what it can do. And part of that is uploading it to YouTube and seeing how it uploads, how all that works, and to see your guys' opinion on it. I mean, don't expect this to be the new thing. This is just kind of a once thing, and maybe if I get positive enough reception on it, maybe I'll do it again, or I'll do it more. But for right now, I really don't see this becoming a very common thing, but I could see myself doing it again in the future. So it just kind of depends how it works out. I'm just trying to see how well this thing runs. So anyway, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to let us know. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, tell us what you think, and I'll be sure to gauge future videos on your reactions. So thanks for watching, guys. So the semi just got here. We are loading him on the road, and we're gonna empty out the carts, and then Dad and I are gonna go back over to the farm. We're gonna unload a wagon of corn into the harvester, and I think what we have remaining out here, I'm gonna haul back to the farm with the grain cart, so that way I can load the Easy Trail wagon that's set up to the blower. But filling this truck up, this should be the very last truck that we send out. At least I hope so, because I don't think we're stopping for anything no matter what, because we're gonna get done what's left out here. It's really not that much. It's just a few strips, but it just seems like everything's just dragging on this year, and I'm not the only one who says it. So, but not much time left remaining on this baby. Don't forget to send in your harvest beard before and afters, because I am going to make a special video featuring all of our subscribers, or maybe I'll just throw it in at the end of a normal video. I don't really know how I'm going to do it, but go to Facebook, send me a Facebook message with a before and after of your harvest beard, or if you've been growing one out all harvest, take a picture of before you shave it, take a picture and send it to me, and I'll post the before and afters. So anyway, we're gonna keep rolling. Notice that there's a wee bit of corn on the top of the roof of the combine. Yeah, that was totally and completely my fault, I'll admit. Yesterday, I had to move the combine in a hurry, and I didn't realize that it was loaded quite as full as it was. And I brought the transmission hydraulic stick back to the neutral position a little too quickly. And the combine came to a screeching halt, and there was a loud crash of corn landing on the roof of the combine. So, yeah, if you were wondering where that wee bit of corn came from, it was for me. So, we are on the very last strip. It is the smallest strip on this farm. It is the strip that's right above the pond in the field. So, I'm in the 82. I'm heading back to the farm now. I got one dump on the grain cart, and I'm going to just go straight back to the main farm and dump it into that wagon because, like I explained already, that it's just a lot faster to do it this way rather than hook the auger up and use the auger to load it. So after this, we should be done. We were getting a little worried that, you know, the Kister Luck would come in and something would go wrong and we wouldn't be able to finish harvesting today, because we really want to finish, just because we're behind on harvesting and tillage. We don't have any tillage done, but at least we can say we got the corn out and the beans, and we're drawing harvest 2017 to a close. So let's head over there and dump this load into the wagon and load into the harvester. Behold, Dad is finishing the very last of harvest 2017 as we speak. All right, we're all done. Got the last load on the grain cart. We're gonna head back to the farm, dump the last of the corn into the harvester. We're gonna call her good. Not totally sure what we're gonna do for the rest of the afternoon though. But at least I can say that harvest 2017 has officially come to a close. So thank you all for watching. Thanks for sticking through us through this harvest. It's been a long, long harvest. Usually we're done by the 15th, and it's Thanksgiving week, which is the latest it's been in a while, so at least the latest we've been harvesting that I know of. But luckily the snow held off, and unfortunately for me the crops didn't yield so great, but at least we're here to farm another year, right? So alrighty, we got a lot more videos coming. We got some things coming down the pipeline, some surprises. It seems like I say this all the time, but like I've said in previous videos, I am working on something big. Hopefully if it goes through, then it'll be one of the biggest things to come to a YouTube channel. Sure, stay tuned guys. Let's head back to the farm.